Egg sandwich recipe. A quick and delicious breakfast treat. An egg sandwich is a timeless breakfast favorite, loved for its simplicity, rich flavor, and satisfying texture. Whether you need a quick bite before heading to work or want to prepare a delightful snack for your family, this 10-minute egg sandwich recipe is the perfect choice. With just a handful of ingredients and easy steps, you can enjoy a creamy, flavorful sandwich that will keep you coming back for more. Let's dive into this easy egg sandwich recipe that guarantees a perfect bite every time. Why you love this egg sandwich. Quick and easy. Ready in just 10 minutes. Nutritious. Eggs provide high-quality protein and essential vitamins. Flavorful and creamy. The perfect blend of egg yolk, mayonnaise, black pepper, and vinegar enhances the taste. Perfect for any meal. Enjoy it for breakfast, lunch, or as a snack anytime. Ingredients you'll need. Before you start, gather these simple ingredients. White heavy checkmark 2 eggs. The heart of the sandwich. Hard-boiled eggs provide a firm texture and rich flavor. White heavy checkmark 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. For a creamy, smooth filling. White heavy checkmark pinch of salt. Enhances the natural flavor of eggs. White heavy checkmark 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Adds a subtle kick to balance the taste. White heavy checkmark 1 teaspoon vinegar. Gives the sandwich a slight tangy twist. White heavy checkmark 2 slices of bread. The base of your sandwich. You can use white, whole wheat, or multigrain. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Hard-boil the eggs. Place 2 eggs in a saucepan and cover them with water. Bring the water to a boil. Then let the eggs cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Remove from heat, drain the hot water, and transfer the eggs into a bowl of cold water. This makes peeling easier. Step 2. Prepare the egg mixture. Peel the eggs carefully. Cut the eggs into halves and separate the egg yolks from the whites. Chop the egg whites into small chunks. In a bowl, mash the egg yolks using a fork until they become smooth. Add 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, a pinch of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Mix well until creamy. Now, add the chopped egg whites and 1 teaspoon vinegar. Mix everything together to form a smooth, well-blended egg mixture. Step 3. Assemble the sandwich. Take 2 slices of bread and remove the edges using a knife, optional. Spread the egg mixture evenly on 1 slice. Place the second bread slice on top to form a sandwich. Cut the sandwich into halves or triangles for easy eating. Step 4. Enjoy your egg sandwich. Your delicious, creamy egg sandwich is ready to be served. You can enjoy it as is or pair it with a cup of tea, coffee, or fresh juice. Tips for the best egg sandwich. White heavy checkmark use fresh eggs. Fresh eggs are easier to peel and taste better. White heavy checkmark add butter. For extra flavor, spread a thin layer of butter on the bread. White heavy checkmark toast the bread. If you prefer a crunchy sandwich, lightly toast the bread before assembling. White heavy checkmark add extras. You can include chopped onions, lettuce, tomatoes, or cheese for more texture and taste. Why this egg sandwich is the ultimate quick meal. Egg sandwiches are not just delicious, but also nutritious and budget-friendly. Eggs are packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins, making this a perfect meal for energy and nourishment, whether you're in a hurry or simply craving something tasty. This egg sandwich recipe is a must-try. Final thoughts. With just 6 basic ingredients and a few simple steps, you can make a creamy, flavorful egg sandwich that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you're making it for yourself, kids, or guests, this recipe is sure to be a hit. So, what are you waiting for? Try this easy egg sandwich recipe today and enjoy every bite. Face-savoring food sandwich. Would you like variations or serving ideas? Let me know. Smiling face with smiling eyes.